Make a great choice today with the 2018 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, keyless entry, power sunroof, power passenger seat, power lift gate, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.